Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the concept of strings in C programming language. So we'll see in this program how we are performing the reading and writing operations on string. So before I'm going to explain this program, so I want to tell what is string in C. So string is nothing but it's a collection of characters. So once I said it's a collection of characters, we want to declare the string by using the concept of arrays. So we can use a char keyword in C. We can declare strings in C. So now this is a program. This is my header file stdio.h, which is my standard input output header file, and this is my another header file, that is conio.h, which is console input output header file. Why I am using this console.h header file in this program is I am using unformatted input output statements in this program. So I'll explain later. So this is my main function. So this is a declaration of string. So string is nothing but it's a character array. So my string name is string1. So it is having the length is 25. So by this it can hold maximum of 25 characters. So this is a declaration of an array. So now I'll show you how we can initialize the strings, and after that how we are performing the reading and writing operations. So this is initialization of string at compile time. So compile time initialization is nothing but we can give the value of a string at the time of programming itself. So every string constant can be initialized by using a double quotations. So here I'm given a string which I want to initialize with my string to a structure concept. So this is a string concept, right? So I can change the string as string concepts. So you can observe that there is a space between this string, and I can give in the string in double quotations. Remember that. So now we'll see how we can initialize the strings at runtime. So runtime initialization is nothing but we want to give a name of the string at the time of running the program. So we can do this for strings in two ways. One is by simply using printf and scanf statement, and another is by using the unformatted input-output functions like putS and getS functions. So now we'll see the two methods. In first method, I'm trying to read. So please enter the value of string1. So string1 is nothing but this is the another string which I am declared in my program. So I am prompting the user, please enter. And by using the scanf function, I am trying to read that string1 value from the keyboard. So this is of a string. I am using simply %s in my scanf statement. And after that, I want to display both string1 and string2 by using two different functions. So one is a formatted output function, which is a printf statement. So the string1 is %s. So I'm using \n because I want to display this content on next line. So I just retrieving this value from the string1. And I want to use the second method for displaying the strings. So that is by simply using the unformatted output statement. So which is implemented by using putS function. So this putS function will simply take either a string constant or it simply take a string name as an argument. So see here I'll show you the two ways. So I want to display like the string2 is like a heading. So I'm using like a string constant which I am given into my putS statement. And after that I want to display the content of string2. So which I am taken through my keyboard. So simply I am written putS. In that I can function I can pass my string name. So now what's the difference between the string which you are trying to display by using the printf and putS is, so you can observe that here the string we have a space between two strings, right? So that is string concepts. So we have a space between that. So when you are using a printf statement to print that particular string, it cannot show you after the space what will be the content is there. So you can observe that by using this execution. See, I just compile and execute this program. It will ask me the value for string1 because the string2 value is already I assigned through my program itself. So I'll give in a value as Chokakula Devi. So now you can observe the output. So the string1 is Chokakula. So you can observe that the string1 I am trying to print with my printf statement. So I am using %s. So it cannot recognize after the things space, after the things after we have what the thing after that space. So simply it can return only Chokakula, it cannot be written Devi. So now you can observe I'm printing the string by using puts. So now that puts function will take the entire string. So you can observe that here the string to initialized at compile time. So now there is a space between the string and concepts, even though the entire string is displayed. So this was the difference between the printf statement and puts function for displaying the strings on console. Thank you.